Narad Muni is very well known to all. He is the Vishnu Bhakt who never stays in one place. He always wanders the worlds, visiting good and bad men and beings, and often sparking off chaos. But Narad was not always this eternal wanderer. He was cursed to be so, and by his own brother. This is the tale of how that curse came to be. Daksh Prajapati was commanded by Mahavishnu to create humans. He bestowed upon Daksh the beautiful Panchajani as his wife. Daksh lived with Panchajani happily, and they had 10,000 sons, who were called the Haryasvas. When the Haryasvas set out on Daksh's orders to go forth into the world and procreate, they first came across the Narayana Saras lake. Daksh's brother, Narad Muni, saw the boys sitting by the lake meditating, and he came down. The Muni came to them and asked them how they intended to do their karma, that of creating, when they had not yet seen nor understood what all of creation was. They had never travelled far and wide enough to see all the glory of creation after all. The boys were quite taken aback when they realized that Narad Muni was right. They had not seen all of creation, nor had they understood its purpose. Then how did they qualify for the task Father had set them? First of all, had they even correctly understood the task? The Haryasvas came to the conclusion that they had been tested by Daksh and they were meant to undertake the path of moksha, which karma ultimately leads to. They decided they were not to take Daksh literally and start procreating. The 10,000 boys bowed down to Narad gratefully for saving them from samsar, and they left to seek moksha, the procreation mission abandoned. When Daksh heard how Narad had diverted them, he was heartbroken. But he pulled himself together and got back to the task at hand. He had 1,000 more sons, the Sabalasvas, and he sent them with the same instructions to procreate. Narad again met them and sent them away to seek moksha. Now, Daksh was heartbroken as well as furious. Narad sensed his brother's anger and he came to Daksh to talk him down. But Daksh was too angry with Narad for sending his sons away to seek moksha before their time had come and their karma was done. Reeling with grief, he cursed his brother. He said, "O Narad, you sent my young sons away, never to set down roots, never to have a home or family or sons for themselves. I curse you. You too will never know a home or family. You shall never set down roots, nor stay in one place. May you wander the worlds eternally." Narad just smiled. Deeply steeped in Vishnu Bhakti as he was, what did it matter to him if he never had a home or family or a fixed place to call his own? All he needed was Hari in his heart, and so Narad became a wanderer by his brother Daksh's curse. Daksh went on to father 60 daughters, and through them the process of creation went on as he was tasked to do. Thank you so much for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content.